Oh, yes.
Oh,
How we
yeah.
doing?
Hey,
Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday.
happy
Let's
Thursday.
go to the map, Ray. We got to go to the
Gotta
map.
go right to the map. Let me get it. I even got it up. So let me see. Which one is me? Oh, that's me. Content. There we
I'm
go.
RSVPing right now.
Here we go. You ready? Let's see.
Map.
Boom. Oh,
Ooh,
General
Okay,
exploding.
Arizona, don't disappoint me like you've done for the past week.
Hey, well, you got to
Just
scroll down there.
Firing.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
oh
There's
my.
nothing
I don't see it. Is there, am I squinting?
Dude, there's nothing that came out.
Did something happen?
what? What?
I think dust came out. That's what I'm thinking.
That's crazy.
Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
no. Got to scroll all the way down in the app. Got a lot of IRL in Africa. You see that?
I did notice that. I tried to check in, and then I was going to gas up the G6, but they said they were busy.
I love it, man. That's awesome. Those are all different crypto blockchain projects and companies.
I'm sure you know about that, but the under the top right over there, Ray, if you're looking at this, that little button right there will switch from IRL events to online only.
The flag?
The flag.
Oh,
hit the
right
flag.
on. Okay.
Hit the flag. Take a look.
Let me click in because I'm gonna do a general.
Okay. So what'd you say about the flag? Right.
There it is. There it is, Atlanta. Oh my goodness.
Tim, what'd you say about? I didn't see anything, Ray.
Under the. I'm looking for my fireworks here.
Okay, you said click the flag. I see no
flag.
You know the logo, right? The AI with the little M to power to the M.
Oh,
underneath that there's a flag.
I see. Online or in person.
Right.
Very cool.
Yeah. So
yeah,
good stuff.
Everybody see that?
Hit that so that not that you don't want to know that there's stuff going on in Africa and everything like that, but you get straight to the online stuff and collect.
Hey, can you tell me how to do it, please?
Right here. Take a look. Let me
help me out
real big. So here you go. You're taking a look at the app, and right under the logo is another.
Oh, the flag.
Yeah, the flag.
That flag, and then you're gonna see this option, which is online and in person.
Oh,
you check online.
You know what, Tim? You know what?
That's something, isn't it?
It is something because I like it. You're the Tim. Come on.
Hey, that's alpha.
It is alpha. We're dropping alpha here.
Alpha that was given to me on this show by Sniper.
Sniper.
I want to give that guy credit.
Double alpha.
That's right. But yeah, you should hit every button on the app and see what it does.
It won't hurt.
You can't break it. And actually, that's our job, right? We're pre-alpha stage, and it's our job to hit every button and to make every suggestion.
When you know, I'm a little shy to that. I was in a plane one time and I was hitting every button. The pilot backhanded me. I'm just letting you know, as a kid.
Well, we aren't in the plane. That's
when you go in the captain gives you those little wings.
Yes.
I started pressing buttons.
That must have been little FOMO.
It was little FOMO, and I got slapped. I'm just letting you
know. Little FOMO got his wings and he got slapped.
Oh yeah, I got my wings all right. Don't touch the buttons. But now on the app, it's okay to touch the buttons.
No, I love that. That's great.
Our job. It's our job.
So, yeah, you need to explore it. Great stuff.
I like that word, explore.
Explore the app.
Wasn't there a show called like Explorer Delora or something?
Dora the Explorer.
Dora the Explorer. I thought it was Explorer Delora.
Delora. You're crazy, man. You're off the hook.
It was Explorer Delora. That was Dora.
The Explorer. Yes, that's
Dora.
Good. Yes, nice. Love it.
You know what just came back to me? You used to say the phrase "word salad" all the time, and you.
Oh,
and it just came back to me when you're going Explorer Door.
Word salad.
Good one. Word salad.
I'm not the sharpest tack in the bunch. Hey, what's this? I'm not the sharpest tack in the crayon box.
Yeah, that's right. Love it. Only too happy to spend Thirsty Thursday with the wise guys.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Sue. Appreciate it. Appreciate you. Yep. Good evening, fellas. I'm predicting a great. That's right, Lord Paxman.
Oh, Lord Paxman, putting the pressure on.
We got some good stuff. If you like memes, you're gonna like it. You're gonna love it. Hey guys, it's
like
Taco.
Memes?
Memes. Meme, not me. I'm not. If you like me,
if you like Ray, if you like Ray, it's gonna be great.
If you like me, it's gonna be a great show. If you don't like me, the hell with you.
But if you like me, it's gonna be a great show.
It's gonna be a great show. There you go. Hey guys, it's taco. It is taco time. The Crypto Chaos. Love it. Thirsty Thursday with some tacos. Side of tacos. Hold on. Hot sack. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Wise guys. Happy Thursday. Taco drink up.
Drink up.
We got all kinds of things going on, man. We got app where we drink up. We got mobbing. We got
hat sack.
It is one and only hat sack. There you go.
She's a class act, that woman.
She's good people. Mob. Corey's Morgan. Mob. Love it. Thank you. Floor. Happy Thursday. Good to see you, Floor. Thank you for joining us, Floor. Joe. So great to see my boys back together. That's right, Joe. Good to have you, man. Thanks for joining us. Yes. Crypto Buffy B with the emojis. Love it. There you go. M2 Hat Girl gone taco crazy? Yes, we are. We got a lot going on. Good evening, wise guys. The 225,000 square foot facility at Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport marks Gulfstream's expansion in Arizona, representing an investment 70 mil. Look at you guys. You guys getting new private jet going?
Hey, when this thing goes,
they're getting ready.
Ready. Ray, when this stuff goes, we gotta get wheels are up.
Wheels up. That's right. All kinds of jets going around. Hey, they're gonna have tacos on the back of them. Crazy monsters out there.
I'm gonna get that wrap, baby.
That's right.
That part. Food tacos.
Santisi Brothers, the official pizzeria of the Gateway Airport.
I love it.
There you go. I love memes. Me too, Red XP. Love it. And I got, like I said, it's pretty cool. Some stuff is happening, and it's not in our country. Oh, yes. LOL. You guys are already cracking me up. Thanks, Night Owl. Appreciate it.
In the house.
Night Owl. Yeah. Billy Joe. That's what I'm talking about. Evening tacos. This is the best, Billy Joe. Thanks for joining us. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thanks for the drink up. Yes, you're welcome. I love it. We need more general explosions. The privates or the sergeants.
Dude, what's below private? Because that's what happened in Phoenix.
That was a private.
Below private. I think it was a citizen.
That's a citizen. That's right. A regular. He wasn't even a military man. That's right.
A normie.
A normie. Hey, wise guys. Taco Thursday. Yes, Dan.
I love you.
Thank you, brother. Good to see you, Dan. Dan's the man. Thank you, Night Owl. Ariel, drink up. Monster, taco, mobbing. Look at it. All them emojis. That's us right there. Monster, taco, mobbing. Love it, Ariel.
Oh, they need a B. They need a B.
That's right. Need a B in there. GMGN, spend Thursday night learning with the Web3 wise guys. Yes, absolutely, my crypto adventure.
George is throwing some alpha right here.
Yeah, look at Delita. How would you say that, FOMO? Delitalocious. Delitalocious.
Hey, what's that? It sounds like Fergalicious. We
should
get Fergalicious.
He gets Fergalicious right, though.
But not,
I got Fergalicious right.
All right. I'm still Gulfstream certified, FOMO. Hire me. I work for crypto.
There you go.
There you go, George. Love it, man.
The plane.
Hey, I love it. I can work on them too. I don't know. It's been a bit.
Okay, first of all, Ray, just get on the plane. Get out of the engine.
Yeah. I'll crack lines, man. I'm cracking lines. You get some
put the hood up and just
SkyDraw. Get that SkyDraw over you. Love it, man. Yeah. Love out to the peeps. Thank you, Web3 Wise guys, for everything you do. You man, comfy. Thank you, man. Appreciate you, brother. Mob times tacos equals it is war on broke. I love that. Have you been seeing that? War on broke.
Okay.
Yes. Mob times.
Before we start the show, I just want to remind everybody, we talk about drinking up. Ray, can you give me a big shout out to this one right here?
Yeah, shout out. What is that?
Okay, this is something that Hatsack ordered me. It's electrolytes, but if you can see the 1,000 milligrams of salt, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of, why can't I see that word? Magnesium. We were just talking about that.
Yeah.
I'm like, so what I'm saying to you is, I asked somebody a question. You would think marathon runners, right? Athletes, they should live the longest. And it's because they sweat so much, they actually lose the sodium, potassium, and magnesium. So don't forget, if you ever go to Florida, and you get out of the shower and it's 110% humidity and you just sweat, You need to put this back into your body. I'm just letting you know.
Like Brondo. The thirst mutilator.
100%. Just want to let you
know. He said 100%. I love it. Hey, I love it, FOMO, because electrolytes, you're right. We
know what time it is probably, Ray. Right now, we got some people. How many people in the show, Tim?
31.
31.
You call it
triple
Ray.
that.
Yeah, I'll get it. We'll get some up there. But howdy, Taco Boys. Scott, good to see you, brother.
Oh, Scott.
There he is, Apex. You're not thinking high enough, FOMO. We're going higher. We're sending it. It's sent. It's sending, right?
Send it.
Ridiculously high.
Hey, I seen a picture of Scott McHenry the other day.
Yeah.
What I'm just saying is he should have. I told him he's go like that, Scotty. I love you, brother.
Yeah, that's good. But yes, disgustingly higher. I put disgustingly. I put it in the title, for Apex.
The good thing about LMT electrolytes, it's zero sugars, ladies and gentlemen. Zero sugars.
I love that. What do they do? What do they sweeten it with, though? I mean, there's some other stuff,
Well, it's pretty salty. I'm just letting you know.
Send it.
I divide it between 2 bottles.
Love it. Send it.
You know what I'm feeling like right now, Ray?
What you feeling like?
I'm feeling like a taco something. You know what I'm saying?
How about a taco dance?
You're feeling pretty salty.
Timmy?
Little taco dance?
Timmy, take a look, brother.
Ready? Taco dance. There it is. Hey, the arms goes like with my legs. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
that's it. I love it.
That's why, in case we get into an accident, they're not eating you first. They're eating me.
Is that what happens when you're low on sodium, potassium, and magnesium?
Right. That is actually what I am. But I'm just letting you know. Apex said we should drop that.
I'm going to. I got a whole bunch, Apex. Don't worry. We're dropping them.
I'm just like DJ Fireworks was the DJ that night. I just couldn't hold back.
DJ Fireworks, we were rocking and rolling, man. I love it.
Oh man, I'm dead. Listen to me. I didn't tell you this. Remember the dance move I was doing lunges?
Yeah.
My legs are still sore. I'm just letting you know, still sore.
See, look, Brondo. I can't even. This night on those. Brondo, the thirst mutilator. It's the thirst mutilator. Drop that. We're getting it. We're gonna get there. I got a few more, Apex. So don't worry. I got a few more. I have no idea who that guy is. I can't tell. He doesn't know. I know. Red XP is hilarious. No wonder you don't go out there.
Oh, boom! She just bloodied my nose.
No, love it. No, it's all good. Having fun is all what it's about. You know.
Absolutely, brother. You guys.
All right. So you going? Who's got something? You got something? What are you talking about?
You got something? I got 4 things. You want to start off with something funny?
3.
Yeah, funny.
Yeah, absolutely.
I want to start off with something funny.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you about this one right here. I'm going to switch over real quick. But Bitcoin scams are on the rise.
Oh.
Do you see that well?
I can.
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to give you the semantics. The Greenville police in South Carolina have noticed an increased number of cryptocurrency scams over the last couple of years. Here's what I had to tell you about, Tim. This is a good one. These scams include impersonating police officers, fixing computer viruses, helping grandparents, making investments, and developing romantic relationships.
Yes.
Wow.
You got to be careful out there. If you see a woman who wants to developing a romantic relationship with you, and she's out of your league, she could be after your crypto, ladies.
She's trying to get your crypto. You got to get your bags. Trying to get your bags.
She's trying to get it. So these scams are asked to pay using Bitcoin ATM machines located in grocery stores, restaurants, laundromats, and gas stations. So just do your due diligence and do not accept payments through the Bitcoin ATMs. That's what I wanted to share on that one.
Be safe. Be safe.
Over to you.
Over to me.
Over to you, Timmy.
Okay. Got it.
That's it.
I got 4 more, but I wanted to give you that one because when I read the romantic relationships, I'm like, I'm gonna carry just an empty ledger on my ledger on my keychain.
Yes.
Hey man, he's got a ledger, ladies.
Yeah.
Hello.
That's right. You gotta lock it up.
Don't leave it blank because then they'll come back for more. You like I got 3 Satoshis.
That's a good point. You got to give them a
just put 3 Satoshis in there.
I got 3 Satoshis.
I'm working my way up.
Got 22 cents. I got 22 cents.
I got one Doge, some dog with a hat, and I got 3 tacos. That's all I got for you, baby.
There you go. There you go.
And I got a Wiz, and I got some Wiz coin too.
Wiz. There you go. Wiz.
Wiz coin?
Yeah. A shots too. Shots and Wiz.
Shots. Remember the
shots and Wiz.
Oh my gosh.
There you go.
I wanted to share that with you. I thought it was
love it. Love it.
Yeah. So with that, all you can say is
lock it up. Lock it up. Lock it up.
Lock it up. And funny because that clip's from Wedding Crashers where they're just trying to go in and start romantic relationships.
Yeah. You know, they're after these women's crypto.
There you go.
Exactly.
So you got a Tim or
I got a couple things. Yeah. Let's see here. Let me present.
There you go.
This one. Yeah. This is our man Elon reposting from Jack, right?
Yeah.
Posting
This
Jack.
is going to sound a little bit crazy, but I think the free speech debate is a complete distraction right now. I think the real debate should be about free will. And we feel it right now because we are being programmed. We're being programmed based on what we say we're interested in. And we are told through these discovery mechanisms what is interesting. And as we engage and interact with this content, the algorithm continues to build more and more of this bias. But the algorithm, even if it's open source, is effectively a black box. You cannot predict 100% of the time how it's going to work, what it's going to show you. And it can be moved and changed at any time. And because people become so dependent upon it, it's actually changing and impacting the agency we have, the free agency we have. And I think the only answer to this is not to work harder at open source in algorithms or making them more explainable about what they're doing and why they're doing it, but to give people choice. Give people choice of what algorithm they want to use from a party that they trust. Give people choice to build their own algorithm that they can plug in on top of these networks and see what they want, and they can shift them out as well. And give people choice to have really a marketplace around an algorithm that you can choose.
There you go.
Hey, I love it. I wish he was doing it when he was the Twitter guy, you know?
Well, he's coming around, right? Well, he got ousted and whatever and all that kind of stuff, and then it got ruined on him, and then Elon came in and
I understand though, but the beast was being built. He's not like he's brand new there, you know. But it's good, like you said. At least it's a turnaround, you know.
But yeah, I mean, people respected him, and they were like, "Oh, this is what Jack would have wanted," and blah blah blah. Now he's sitting here talking about, open up the algorithms. Don't open up. You got to let people have do what they need to do.
Yeah, well, that's why it's so important. What's going on here, man? Right? Yeah. Decentralization is so huge. Everybody.
That's exactly why I love that speech.
Yeah,
he made there.
It's amazing.
I'm sure that's what the AI and Opus AI is going to be doing, right. Letting people interact with each other and do what they need to do without, forcing an agenda.
Right.
And we can only hope that that's the way it's going to work. That's
all for the people. Be. All for the people, Tim. I mean, seriously, that's like I said. It's pretty amazing that people want to, put all this effort, all this time, all this, capital, all this into something like this to give to the people, which is crazy, and it's needed. That's what's awesome about you seeing all these others that have been in this space that they know how all this algorithms, all this AI, it's crazy where we're heading. So that's why it's all very important. Very good one, man.
Yeah, that was a good one. FOMO, I missed out on this share for you the other day. I don't know if you guys heard. You were probably traveling back and stuff like that, but for a brief second, there was a problem on Wall Street where Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's stock went down to $185.
Oof.
Trades were getting denied because it was a glitch in the system.
It was a glitch?
Yeah, there was a glitch in the system. And the Berkshire Hathaway and a few others were all of a sudden lost 99% of their value.
Wow.
And it was
move it down. Look at the chart. Look at the cliff. Move it down a little.
Anybody pick up anything?
Look at the cliff. Look at the cliff.
Whoop.
Was anybody able to get it down there when it dropped like that?
No, everything got denied. But people looking at it going, oh my gosh, I can get Berkshire Hathaway for $185. But yeah, that's it. If somebody made it, if I kept scrolling down here, I'd find it. But where's the guy here? If you bought $500 of Berkshire Hathaway today, 10 minutes ago, you'd now have over 2 million because they turned around, and put it right back.
Right.
But, there was a glitch, and they got to put that stuff on the blockchain. That's what they got to do.
Tokenized.
Right.
All got to be tokenized. That's right.
Last one I got is actually Apex posted this inside one of the chats there. And here it is. There's a big stream coming tomorrow. I don't know if you were going to talk about this, Ray, but Roaring Kitty, more Wall Street stuff, is going live tomorrow in 15 hours, actually.
Wow.
So check that out, because Roaring Kitty live stream. Look up Roaring Kitty. But he's the guy behind GameStop and all that stuff. So
that chat? Chat is just pumping right there now, huh?
Yeah, they've been in there since he opened up the thing, and there's 12,000 people liked it, and the chat is working as we speak.
The chat's on fire.
Chat is on fire over there. So
is that YouTube show Roaring Kitty?
That's it, Roaring Kitty.
Yeah,
find him. He's got a verified check mark, Roaring Kitty.
Right.
But
on.
check that out. That's going to be an interesting thing. We'll see.
Hours. Yeah, we need to do something. We need to participate. That'd be fun.
Yeah,
we'll see if he says, Blue Horseshoe likes Anacott Steel or something like that.
That's too funny.
That is. That's good.
Orange juice.
That's Trading Spaces. I was doing Wall Street, Gordon Gekko.
Like
but same generation.
I got another one. Can you share that one, Ray?
Yeah.
I did this especially for a reason. I'm going to click over to it right here, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to bring you back to Georgia.
Oh, I think I'm right. I'm like right there. Good stuff, though.
Cryptocurrency mining stirring concerns across rural Georgia.
It's Ray's fault.
Opposition
story about you, Ray?
Across Georgia to cryptocurrency mining. The process of creating bitcoins and other forms of virtual currency at giant server farm sites. Giant, I repeat, giant. Residents of Gilmore County in North Georgia mountains recently beat back a proposed rezoning to allow a cryptocurrency server farm in that rural community. Just north of Gilmore, the Fannin County Commission has enacted a ban on crypto mining.
Ooh.
And several hundred miles to the south, the Southern Georgia Regional Commission, which represents 18 primarily rural counties, has also published a model ordinance counties can use to put restrictions on the development of cryptocurrency farms. Opponents complain, Ray. Opponents complain.
They have.
Server farms generating cryptocurrencies are extremely noisy, impose a huge drain on electricity and water sources, and don't generate enough jobs to justify those negative consequences. It's the biggest con on the public ever, said Cindy Robinson, co-founder of the Gilmore County Citizens Against Crypto Mining, who brought hundreds of residents to a meeting and told them, we don't want it in our backyard. You understand that, Ray? We don't want it in our backyard.
I do. I'm 5 minutes away from that county.
All right. Do you hear the noise?
I do not. I do not feel it.
Okay,
we have billboards all over the little highway that goes through here that said, "No more Bitcoin. No more Bitcoin."
That's the point. And they said, and one thing which I don't see, I forget where. Oh, here it was. What's this? The noise is absolutely atrocious.
It's disgusting.
It's disgustingly atrocious. She said they bring no money in, no jobs, except for the people who are there guarding the place. That is,
we got our AKs like this.
Dude, that is a classic.
Yeah.
I just let you know. So I had to bring that up.
I love it.
And he's introducing a thing this year, a cryptocurrency bill, and he says it's not on the top of the list. But enough with the noise here in Georgia. It's affecting the beach. Did I just say beach?
Is that the beach?
Yeah.
Peach production. It's affecting the peach production.
That's right.
Peaches, the Georgia peaches.
Don't want to mess with Georgia peaches, man.
Just let you know. So I wanted to share that, Ray.
Good times.
One off. I'll load another one.
It is. That's
maybe the noise is the cicadas or something, because they're supposed to be back.
Could be the cicadas, While you're loading that up, I'll talk about this one there, FOMO. Yeah. But yeah, good story.
You load that one.
I love it. But the stablecoin giant Tether now owns, talking about mining, FOMO, 25% of Bitcoin miner Bitdeer, right? So, this is a big deal because Tether is the one, kind of has them stable tokens, right? And they have to back it with Bitcoin and other things like that. So you take a look through here. Make the company behind Tether, USDT, the second largest shareholder of BTC miner shares behind Victory Courage Ltd, which is registered to Bitcoin CEO. Before being appointed March 24th, was the co-founder of CEO ASIC manufacturing Bitmain. But this Bit shares are trading up for $7.15, up 2% in the markets right now. And they had a big price surge. The Bitcoin miner has seen share price impressive 26% gain. But on Thursday morning, the SEC filing, Tether Holdings Limited disclosed that they are now in control of 23,587 BTDR shares. The huge uptick is a big deal.
23 million or 23,000?
23 million. You're right. My bad.
Holy million. That's a lot.
Yes, that is. Because of the deal, Bitdeer was able to raise $100 million in financing.
100 million.
And that's more mining, right? They're going to be mining the crap out of Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
So there you go, right? But this is good stuff,
If they're going to spend that much money, the probability at the end of the year. Can I get the ticker, Tim? I need the ticker, Tim.
Yeah, right away.
Thank you, ticker, Tim. I just let everybody know I don't have access to any controls. I'm just hired as entertainment.
There's a reason for that.
This is a good point. If they're dropping this much money to actually still mine Bitcoin, you got to remember we talked about it the other day, Tim. Bitcoin has to be at a mere 80,000 to break even. Nobody's in business to break even, Tim. Nobody goes and spends that kind of money to break even. I'm sensing 125,000 by December. 125,000 by December.
That's it?
I'm conservative, so if I say 125, it comes.
That's not a FOMO. That's come on. Nobody believes you. That if your name is FOMO and you're saying 125 by December, everybody's like, what?
217 by
December. Yeah, that's much better. Much better.
Let's go.
That's the FOMO I know.
Hey, they're wearing hat guy.
That bit there, it's also listed on the NASDAQ. So I mean, it's a pretty major thing, right?
Web 2, Web 3, Web 1, Web 2. You know what I'm saying? It's all across the spectrum.
All part of the stuff, man. Let me bring it back to you.
Okay, you bring it back to me. I already got something shared. We want to talk about Nigeria. We were talking about over in Africa, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
We talked about that earlier. So let me go over here real quick. I just want to give you a thing. So right now, have you heard about the crisis in Nigeria with their money system?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're having a little issue.
They do.
So they're trying to get over to. I want to just give you a point. I didn't want how they're going to address this issue. How best can Nigeria manage cryptocurrency? So I'm just reading this one. Nigeria needs a balanced approach to regulation if the industry is to thrive without harming financial and monetary stability. A stable financial system is capable of allocating resources efficiently and managing financial risk. The approach must protect consumers and investors. If Nigerians were prevented from trading the Naira, is that Naira? Did I pronounce that right?
I think you're pretty close.
Okay, Naira. On cryptocurrency, saying this might turn to other assets denominated in US dollars. That would be worse for the Naira. Cryptocurrencies have a long history of being used in illegal activities like money laundering and drug trade. Yeah. Calm down.
That's all they say.
But they have not been linked with the devaluation of national currencies as the Nigerian government has alleged. So something to look forward to. One of the key concerns raised by Nigerian authorities can be dealt with by tracking the identities. We're talking about, was it KYC, Greg? KYC.
Yes,
know your customer.
Yep.
Yeah, so the regulatory framework passed by the Security and Exchange Commission in May 2022 provides for this. It requires all regulated exchanges to comply with the KYC right there, guys. Know your customer requirements. Regulators can ask exchanges to disclose the identities of cryptocurrency and wallet holders linked with suspicious activities. Blockchain analytics firms like Chain Analysis and Epilink work closely with exchanges and can uncover sinister transactions. So that's what's going on in Nigeria. Back to you.
Back to me. Because here, looks like we got BlackRock.
The reason for the call today,
Back to
John,
you.
is something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea.
It is. It's happening. They're going to be getting it. They're getting that out. A lot of stuff like that is going on. This is a big one too. This is big, man.
I got another one after this too. So you go. What do you got?
Yeah.
Look at you. Look at you, Tim. Throwing that.
Way
out.
of the wolf, right?
Look at you, Tim. That guy's got a library right behind him.
But this right here, Telegram launches ton-linked stars currency. A stars currency. Stars, right? After Toncoin hits all-time high price, it is at its all-time high. Pulled back a little bit within the past few hours, but this is a big deal, man, because everything, kind of its own crypto monetary system, is on Telegram now. So if you're building apps, you're doing anything on Telegram, you get these little stars, and you can trade these stars in for ton coins, other things that are going on there, and do it right on the platform. Very cool. So he's been talking about this, but the in-app currency stars will be available for purchase with fiat currency through in-app purchases via iOS and Android, or within Telegram itself. Stars can be used to purchase digital products within Telegram mini apps like Notcoin and Hamster Combat that live on the popular messaging app. With fast, user-friendly payments for digital goods and services, the bot and mini app platform will allow new types of businesses to reach over 900 million potential customers on Telegram. So this
900 million.
Yeah, ton is one to look at, man, because this thing with Telegram, a lot of the platforms are transforming into full-on, payment systems, all on, even too. You're going to see how this is X is going to be doing a lot of this stuff too, right?
Everything app.
It is. That's what everybody's pushing for, right? You want to do what we keep talking about with communities of being on these platforms. When you have this group of people, they're really going to kind of just stay there, right? If you can do everything on there and this is your hood, right? This is where you like it. Why would you go anywhere else? You can do anything you want on here. That's why, again,
it wasn't Elon working about streaming eventually? Wasn't he analyzing streaming? Just like
sure.
So if you can stream, you can watch sporting events on X, and you can, financial institution, move money. You really don't need anything else. Does that make sense?
We're streaming on X right now.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I didn't. Then I'm thinking about this, which we haven't talked about. We need to figure out how to repurpose banks, because banks are going to be going up for sale left and right. I'm thinking about a condo. You know what I mean?
Condo in the bank, in the vault.
You're gonna have to redo it like a restaurant in the bank, and maybe there's a reservation. Would you like to sit next to in the vault?
Banks will always be around. It's going to be a kind of a merger.
Oh,
right?
they're cutting down already. I'm just saying.
We'll see. But look, developers of Telegram will be able to withdraw their stars in Toncoin. So they're going to be able to change them into Ton, right? Telegram's favorite cryptocurrency on the open network.
Right now, today, Ray. What's the update on Toncoin right now? Can I get an update, please?
Yeah, sure. It's I have to go over there now. Let me see.
2 seconds. You got this. I thought you already had it in your thing.
No, I didn't, but it's all good.
Everybody, you want to have knowledge, you go ask Ray. Ray, how much is Toncoin today?
Ton is $7.49.
Yeah, up 16.1% in 7 days. Look at that.
Yep, number 10, and it is. It's one to look at
right now. Where was it at the beginning of the year? If you had anybody had some vision.
Let's just go out a year. So February, not even at the year, right? $2.
$2.
Yeah.
Bad return, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, back here in July, you're at $1. August,
And if you when did Toncoin come into existence?
Way back in 2021.
78 cents.
Yeah.
Could have been somebody.
But the whole time doing something, right? It's not like one of the normal,
Slacking.
Very good. But yeah,
What's the total supply right there? What's the total supply, Ray? Circulating supply?
Is 2.4
trillion? 2.4 trillion?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3 commas.
And their market cap is 18 billion.
18. Yeah.
18, not horrible.
Yeah.
Not horrible.
So I think that's 2.3. Yeah.
Update, Ray.
But yeah, good stuff, man. Just saying. It's a big deal because this is, if you just saw 900 million users, big deal.
A lot.
So there
It's
you go.
not like they got tacos though.
They don't have tacos. That's one. That's right. It's not going to do it for you. Where are we at? Are you on here now? You got this? Or is that me? You're done.
Nope, I got something for you.
Well,
I'm sharing right now. You there, Ray Ray?
I'm here. There you go.
We talk about millionaires. Let's talk about billionaires, Ray. Billionaires. Billionaires are buying this cryptocurrency ETF that could soar 1,050 to 5,400% according to certain Wall Street analysis. This is from yesterday. Pretty close. Look at that. You see that, Tim?
Yeah, very good.
Stuff right here. Bitcoin rallied 154% over the past year. Several factors made that resurgence possible, including a rotation back to risk assets as recession fears diminished. However, the approval of spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds, ETFs, certainly contributed to those gains, and they could have a more significant impact in the future. Remember, we got the approval. Hey, I know that they gave them the approval of the ETF, the ETH ETF, but we still haven't activated that. Am I correct on that?
That's correct.
Right. So here we go. Lo and behold.
In June. It's supposed to happen this month.
Right. So several hedge fund managers purchased positions in the recently approved iShare Bitcoin Trust during the first quarter, as explained. Look at this. 20.9 million shares, 6.1 million shares by Stephen Schofeld. Ken Griffin of Citadel, another 440,000 shares, 17.8 million. Paul Singer purchased additional 296,000 shares of the trust, about 12 million. So it's just really interesting that the spot Bitcoin ETFs could boost demand for cryptocurrency as a whole. That makes sense? That's all I want.
Absolutely.
Hey, I think, that's what I want to talk about, Kathy Wood. Similarly, Kathy Wood of ARK Investment believes spot Bitcoin ETFs will eventually capture about 5% of institutional assets under management. So, Ray,
that's a big number.
Yeah, man.
That's big. So, how many trillions are we talking about right now?
What? We're almost at 3
there
trillion.
It is. I forgot I read it. That prediction values the cryptocurrency at roughly $3.8 million per coin, implying about 54% upside from its current price. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not financial advice. This is Kathy Wood. I'm just repeating what she predicted.
I'm just reading.
$3.8 million per coin. That's a little chunk.
That's a face melting bull run.
You know what I'm saying?
That's disgusting.
Yeah, that is disgusting. So at 3.8 million, so if you have 3.8 million, I'm using my trusty calculator. You divide it by 100 million. That's 100 million. Yes. Is it 100 million Satoshis in a Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think it's 3.3. What is it? So what is that? 4 cents? $4? Yeah, it's about 40 cents.
$3.80.
Yeah, $3. It'd be it wouldn't be 3. It would be 38 cents. 38 cents a Satoshi. To get to $1, this has to get a little bit higher per coin. I think it's 100 million per coin. 100 million per coin is $1. So it is it's 4 cents. 4 cents. Wow. To get to $1, it has to be 100 million. So I appreciate that, Ray. Let me show it.
I love it. That's great stuff. It goes right along what I'm about to do with the next one. It's great.
No way. We didn't even coordinate.
Meme coin institution holdings surged since January. So now, not even institutions are not even just messing with Bitcoin, right? They're getting into meme coins. Institutions are starting to put in some allocation. Look, meme coin allocation to a high of 300 million in April. That's up from 63 million at the start of the year. So institutions are starting to get into the meme mania, right?
That's crazy, Ray. If this was a quiz, I would have said no way.
Yeah, who would think?
I would say C. C is my answer.
You would have said C. I know how you work that Scantron test.
That's right.
Damn you, Scantron.
But yeah, I mean they're all the major ones, right? DOGE, SHIB, things like that. The meme token bonk. But they're moving in, right? And this shows you a little pie, a little allocation of what institutions are starting to get into, right? Isn't that crazy? Right?
That is crazy.
So, like you said, everybody in the media can say all they want, all this stupid stuff about it's all terrorists and everybody else over here, but laundering money. They're ridiculous, right?
It is. No, they're criminals.
Criminals, right? This is happening, and we keep trying to tell you because you're going to get this face melting bull run, and you better hold on.
Hacer el güey. ¿Qué va a hacer el vato? No digas que he's gonna ride a bull. Pues espérate, güey. Espérate, hold on to the bull, güey. Le vale verga, güey. This is con el pinche cigarro todavía en la pinche boca, güey. Le vale verga a todos los. Get out of there, rodeo clowns. Güey. He's just like, give it all to me. Give it all to me, bull. Ahora ya se va a caer, güey. No, he's still holding on. Oh, no, oh, shit, I thought he was done for. This is the greatest athletic achievement I have seen in my life, bro. Oh, this is better than Kobe's 80.
That guy.
That's the bull run we're about to go on, right?
Oh, yeah.
Face melting.
With the cigarette in his mouth.
Hey, didn't even hold on to the bull.
Didn't move at all.
That's impressive.
Strength, man. That you got to have some class.
Yes, that's impressive. But we're going on some more stuff with Binance. Binance resumes Mastercard payments for crypto, right? All of the stuff that's going on with Binance, and they're ripping, right? Binance is already at their all-time highs again. It's crazy, and just on and on and on.
Because they're leaders in Club Fed right now.
There you go. They
I had
are.
a question to this, Ray. You asked me something about this. I looked at Coinbase's credit card. They use a Visa debit card.
Yeah.
They sell your crypto to pay the bill.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Now, can you? Here's my question: can you dictate which crypto in there?
Yeah.
So you can
the same way I did it with the coin zoom. Yes, you select, and you can even put it in order. Say you bought something up, a big purchase, right? And you only had so much ETH, a little bit of Doge, right? You can put it in the order of that they would sell it.
Nice.
Yeah. Pretty cool, man. That's what I'm saying. It's already there, right? If you could swipe a credit card and you're using Ethereum or you're using Doge, it's already there, right?
It'd be really cool, right? You just made me think of this. What you said Doge. Go back to Ethereum, right? Right.
Yeah.
Remember that 20% spike?
I do.
That 20. But say you were going to purchase something just 5 minutes before the spike. Oh, it's going to cost me blank. And all of a sudden you swiped and like, I still have ETH left over? How is that possible?
That's right. You got a little bit, and it goes up. It's true.
Can you imagine your face? Like, oh, I'm going to be down like 6 Ethereum. You swipe, you're like, I still got 2 Ethereum. I got 1.5 Ethereum left. It just made me laugh.
We used to call it crypto dust, right?
Oh,
crypto dust, right?
Dude, there's crypto dust everywhere.
It is. You would be surprised what's in your wallet, but I'm just saying we're just going through this stuff because listen, everybody, it's just more and more and more adoption is happening in all kinds of places. Now, this is they are adding one caveat here with this. What the Mastercard spokesman is saying is this status is contingent on ongoing reviews. So they're just in a review process. But man, right? Both Visa and Mastercard are enthusiasts about crypto these days. Both of them, right? 2 major card companies. The one that everybody uses, right? I don't know what else you can't purchase with a Visa and a Mastercard, but hey, it's happening. So here we go. And I like talking good old Robinhood, right? Because I think they're going to get a smackdown soon, Robinhood,
What do you mean by smack?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm just saying. I think people are building, man. I think people are building. It's going to be awesome, right? Some other things that are going to happen, and it's just cool, right? But still, this is cool that Robinhood bought a crypto exchange, Bitstamp, right? They're expanding outside the U.S. All cash deal. They valued at $200 million, and is expected to close in the first half of 2025. So these companies are continuing to expand, and Robinhood, big crypto exchange, right? A lot of people heard of them through the GameStop thing, but they do a lot of things. I mean, they do stocks too and all that stuff too, right, Tim?
Sure. Yeah.
So they do all that stuff, and now, like I said, I think there are a lot of people that are going after this. Not just Robinhood. I'm just saying that's a centralized manner. That's a centralized system again. You got to know that there are people that are building decentralized things, and I'm looking forward to that too. Bringing This is the Robinhood started offering crypto trading to clients in Europe, the European Union. Bitstamp's platform and expertise in the Robinhood ecosystem will give users an enhanced trading experience, continuing the commitment, compliance, security, and customer centricity. Right? I don't know. I've never even used. Have you guys ever used Robinhood?
No.
Me either. But them acquiring these companies is a big deal because they are expanding outside the U.S. So here's another one. U.S. crypto regulations are moving against a CBDC and non-compliant stablecoins like Tether. So the crypto regulations in the U.S., good to hear that they're moving against any of the CBDC stuff, right? They don't want any Fed coin, and what he's looking to want anything with the Federal Reserve, Fed now type, whatever they're trying to think about. So, but we'll see. You know, they say things. It doesn't always mean that that's what's going on. But it's all like you said. There's J.P. Morgan. There's your guy, Jamie Dimon, right? He's all for that stuff. You know, he's building towards that, right? But the emerging regulatory initiatives appear to be against a Fed coin. They're against it, at least for now. Hopefully, they stay against it.
Why couldn't BlackRock eventually have their own credit card where it would actually sell your shares to pay the bill?
I'm sure any of them can build anything, right?
Right.
When they start having and holding that amount of, you know.
Yeah. Don't you think?
I don't know what percentage of Mastercard and Visa they own, but I'm sure they own a nice chunk of it.
Right. Good point.
But you know, we all know. You know, I was just talking about USDT, right? That also is a more centralized, not even close to a CBDC, but it is a very centralized type thing, right? So just saying, these are things that you got to keep an eye out. You know, hopefully, again, you pay attention to this political season, and we vote in pro crypto people and pro decentralized minded politicians, right? And I was going to go through this, but I don't want to go and I just kind of was going to touch on it. But if you never heard of DJ Aoki, what he was talking about, he spent 50 ETH, right? And all of a sudden he sold for 300 ETH a CryptoPunk, right? That's how he got into crypto. This is how he got into crypto. But and that's a great game, right? He made about $1 million just off of one CryptoPunk, and that sold him. But what happened is he kind of went down, I would say, the FUD hole, right? He went down the FUD hole and he started just kind of thinking it was all easy money like that, right? And not maybe really doing his due diligence, looking at all NFT projects, you know, things like that. And, you know, he got hammered, man, at the end. And he was even launching his own kind of NFT things. So it's important, maybe just because you get a couple of wins or at the beginning, couple of wins, don't go crazy, right? We cannot be FOMO. And that's not, I'm not making, you can't do that in this space. You can't overextend. You can't do those things because you make horrible decisions. And that's all that this little story that I was going to bring up, but it's not, I don't want to go through it now. But that's what he brought up here, the MetaZoo. That's what he launched, and it didn't do well, right? It got crushed. And this is like one of the top DJs in the world, right? You know, millions of people go to watch this guy. So it's not like he doesn't have a community. And that should tell you something about how nuanced, I guess you would say, this place is, this area. Tucker, I don't know. We got 10 minutes. I'm not going to go Tucker, right?
Come on.
We'll play Tucker. I'll play Tucker. Let me turn it down. It's a good one, though. Let me, Tucker has got good news. Tucker Carlson, with breaking news.
The following is a conversation with a truly unique individual. You may know him as a content creator, but that would be like describing Leonardo da Vinci as an Italian. He is a deep thinker, a philosopher, a cosmonaut, a historian, and a futurist. Someone whose life's journey has traversed the intricate corridors of human thought, the rich tapestries of our past, and the boundless possibilities of our future. It was a privilege to spend time with him in the studio, and it is an honor to now be able to call him my friend. He is a man brimming with love and wisdom and insight, and his name is Tucker Carlson. I'm going to start with the biggest question of all. What is the meaning of life?
Gee, Lex, way to go for the jugular. I don't know if life has this predetermined meaning waiting for us to discover it. Maybe it does. I can't be sure. To me, I think life offers endless avenues for us each to arrive at our own truths. For some, it might be deeply rooted in faith and service to God. For others, meaning can be found closer to home in the love and kindness we extend to our friends or family or dog. Some people seek fulfillment in the pursuit of something else, like professional excellence or dedication to their craft. For an artist, that can be a way to connect with the divine, but I guess what unifies all these paths is the sense of giving back more than we take, to pursue what is good and true and noble and right. For me, the meaning of life, my life at least, was made clear for me some years ago, and that, Lex, is shitcoins.
Would you be able to elaborate on that?
Well, I guess the thing to understand is that shitcoins are more than the name might suggest. And for me, they are the perfect expression of the absurdity of the world itself. And the thing is, Lex, shitcoins get a bad rap. But I think this entire space represents a kind of microcosm of life's broader gamble. And, you know, how we seek value and meaning and fun in the unlikeliest of places.
And I guess community is a big part of that too, right?
A huge part of that. Community and connection are a human need, Lex. We literally die without them. And yet our lives have become so atomized that many of us had to find it online in the vast interconnected networks of the internet. Personally, I found my home in what we might call a digital diaspora of outcasts, where as shitcoiners, we exist at the very fringes of the blockchain hierarchy, where we can be looked down upon for lacking any robust or clear utility. And yet it's that experience that gives us the very thing that everyone craves, a sense of collective belonging and shared enthusiasm. We embrace the absurdity of it all, united, yes, by the possibility of financial gain, but also by a sense of adventure and a rebelliousness and irony. It's life-affirming stuff, Lex. It really is.
Now, to play devil's advocate for a moment, your detractors would tell you that this all sounds great, but aren't you just playing mental gymnastics here by hiding behind this idea of community spirit in order to enable what is effectively a gambling problem?
A gambling problem.
Man.
Yes,
Yeah.
a gambling problem. But Tucker, awesome, right? But yeah, it's kind of true. The meme coins, man, they're a big part of this area, and we're like this rebellious type crew over here. We've been jumping all over, what's going on. But a lot of VCs are running these other major projects, and you had all the ICO crap, and meme coins is just a way for us to kind of vent and do our own thing. So they're important, man. It's a great way to grow a community. I can tell you that. But this is one cool thing I'm just going to start talking about, because we touched on the Bitcoin ETFs, right? And just the numbers, and I'm going to go over to here. But just this week, right, or today's inflow was 221 million, right? The net inflows yesterday, 488 million. Those are big numbers, right? And when you look at this is a whole chart of this, but down here is the big one, right? This is from the very beginning. This is, what is it, May, June here? But if I scroll all the way down here, I mean, you could take a look at the green, right, and the red. It's a lot of inflows. That's all green, right? This is a little snip right here of all that sell-off. But man, this thing was crushing it for a long time. And now you're starting to see, again, a big uptick, right? Inflows. So even the day before, June 4th, 886 million, 488 million, 220 some million, today. It's
something we don't think about, right? When they're inflowing, right? That means they're outflowing from something else.
Yeah, right. You mean, yeah.
We always talk about, hey, we got an inflow coming in for Bitcoin.
The Fed, they're just printing it.
Where, yeah, but they're not printing it. Where is it going from? Where are they pulling it out of?
Yeah.
Bonds, real estate, where are they pulling it from?
Could be some gold, could be bond. Yeah, it could be all kinds of different things, right?
That. It's a shift.
Yeah.
It's a shift, Ray.
Yeah, it's absolutely a shift, right? But this is what I kind of, was naming the actual show about, right? Talking about is there is a huge thing happening, and it's in China, right?
China.
The third largest offshore exchange, Bybit, suddenly opened up registration and authentication for users in China. There are people who have not had access to this, right? How many people live in China?
A lot.
A billion.
A billion China people. Yes, that's a billion. Right. Bybit has long strictly prohibited the registration and use of Chinese users. The management team has been very cautious about this, but that's all they see, that, the little drop down ID card. Now they're going to start getting into this, right? And that's open. That's opening up a lot of people. And there's some wealthy, obviously some wealthy people in China as well, right?
Yeah.
But just
you talk about the God candle, you won't even be able to show the chart on the computer. It'll just be like this, Ray. And it would just keep on going, Ray.
That's right. Not financial advice. Absolutely.
Trying to candle board. Hello.
But the cool thing is they are getting big time. I'm gonna show you. They're getting big time into meme coins. And the first one, I of course, just because I love it, right?
Oh, Taco!
There it is.
Taco Tuesday. Yes, Taco Tuesday. Yes. Taco. Then I thought you had a translation for tacos. Well, you didn't have.
Why don't you show a taco dance again to get in the mood, Ray?
Taco dance. Let's get it.
Every time we talk about tacos, you gotta get the dance.
You gotta do the taco dance. That's right.
And I'm challenging other. There you go.
Oh yeah.
Put that move down.
Yes.
Guess what? Nobody's going to try to take my crypto from any romantic interludes with that dance.
That's right. And the reason, I mean, seriously, this is crazy because we've talked about this anyway. The website is ridiculous. This is an awesome website. But even the URL, tacotuesday.io, that's no joke, right? Not very easy to get. But the other thing is, man, the content, all I did is put the, money sign, ETH, and the emoji taco. And there is, hold on, I can't get some of this. But hold on, man, I'm going to mute myself. Hold on.
You don't want a cat fight. You do not want a cat fight.
Well, it is. It's but all I'm saying is, look at this. I mean, here, sniper.
That's a good one.
But
hello to my little friend.
We know that one. But the ETH taco is not a meme coin of the day. It's not a meme coin of the week. Not a meme coin of the month. Not a meme coin of the year. Not a meme coin of the cycle. The ETH taco is just the meme coin on the blockchain. That's good stuff right there. You better understand what he's trying to say. It's a big deal. But awesome stuff. And then all I'm saying is look, all of these.
Who did that one?
That was a good one.
That's Janet.
Janet, that's awesome.
It's fire.
Janet, fire.
It's also what I'm saying. Down South America, man. Down South America.
Awesome.
This is
I think she wins the night. She wins the night right there.
She does. Great job, Janet. But it's an entire group community. What you just heard, what Tucker was talking about, right? Everybody different people, right? Everybody different people, just doing all kinds of amazing content about taco. People who don't buy any tacos. But see, there you go, right? All different people, just motoring out amazing, awesome news. That's tough. That is tough.
That is tough.
There you go. And this is the alpha right there. I'm going to tell you right there.
That is a good one.
Taco Queen.
That
right?
red XP. That is out for tonight, ladies and gentlemen.
Taco
it's
Queen.
Alpha Ray.
Taco Queen is going to crush it. And there you go. Taco is just beating down on the broke, right? Look at this.
Oh, this one's a classic. I love that one.
It is. But they're bushy, with Taco Ito, you're going to be fat bags, right? Fat bags.
He's got skills.
I'm just, oh, there you go. I didn't see this. That's a good one.
That is
there you
a good
go.
one.
There you go.
That was Decrypting Chaos.
Yeah, it is Decrypting Chaos. But there's and there
it is.
Look at him. Look at him.
Was there.
Just getting after it.
Sniper just pounded me.
Just getting after it. And then look, Tacos to the Moon. It's its own shuttle, right? Its own shuttle. Look.
Yeah.
goodness, I remember that.
That's
Who did
classic.
that one?
That's the Cryptic Chaos, right?
Chaos, knock it out of the park. I remember that one.
There you go.
That's crazy.
Right? But yeah, there's all kinds of them, man.
Oh, that is hysterical.
I do it for the tacos. This is what I do it for.
That's the shirt right there, brother.
That's it.
But back to this, right? Tacos is the alpha. You better have some tacos, right? You better fill your bag with some tacos, at least a little bit, right? A little change, some tacos. But going back to the thing with China, I want to show you a lot of these things that are spinning up. Shina Inu, right? Not Shiba, Shina Inu. So, look, he's got the little Chinese flag on his hat. These things are all starting to pop out, and I'm telling you, China is coming, right? And I am not endorsing. I am not telling you to buy, not telling you to get this, but I'm telling you that this whole country that has been pent up and not allowed to participate is about to participate. And then here we go. Take a look at this one, the Chinese Dogecoin. Look at him. Look at the Chinese Doge. Look at it. He's doing his thing, right? And right there on Uniswap. Again, I'm not telling you to jump on these things, but main thing I would tell you is get you some tacos, right? And then this is my favorite. You know the PEPE coin? Yeah. I can't hear you. This is PEPE. This is the PEPE.
Oh, PEPE.
Hey.
Welcome to PEPE, right? So again, this is what's going on. And look, I want to go over. Let's just put in the PEPE. Let me go back to Twitter because I was showing you what a taco looks like. Let's see what a PEPE is, right? I don't know if that's how it comes up, but let's see. There we go. Right?
There he is.
There you go. He's got a green candle. But it's a good way to look, right? Look at what they're doing and what is going on with the community we're talking about, right? Kind of crazy. Here they go, throwing an influencer in there, right? They pumped his bags. So just saying, look at the difference. All they're doing is showing some look at the good Lord.
That's crazy. That's going to be a problem.
That's going to be a problem. But seriously, can you not see the difference, right?
Crazy.
How is that? Tell me how all of this stuff like this gets that, right?
And China's
it is big, right? But I'm just telling you, again, it's not always what it seems, right? It's not always what it seems.
Did that say that PayPay got $100 million in the last
where?
Whenever
right
it
here?
was? One of those tweets. Inflows in the PayPay was
all right. I'm
100
laughing
million.
at people that were saying 100 million tonight for Pepe. I'm no longer laughing. Starting to think it's more than achievable. Yeah.
Wow.
There you
Okay.
go. But yeah, I mean, I scrolled through what we were looking at for tacos. It's not even comparable, everybody. It's not even in the same, not even the same league. But in general, I'm telling you, you better pack your bags with tacos. Better get that. But like I said, it was important because this is a huge deal. And what's going on? Did it not switch? Oh, there it switched over. But that is a huge deal, and we're about to see some only up stuff going on, right? Kind of crazy.
Right. It looks like we're going over to some mobbing at 6 p.m. Looks like we got some mobbing going on. You want to look at the map real quick?
Yeah, map going on.
Thing off, Ray?
Yeah, map. Let me go over. Let me go here first, and then I'll move over. Ready? Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
Jersey lighting up.
How was Africa this day to today? I mean, there was so much awesome IRL events going on. You know, we're looking.
I didn't watch Africa, but I tried to hit them all, but you got to be there.
Yeah.
This way, nothing's going on in Phoenix when I drink up.
Nothing, huh?
2 times in a row. Somebody's trying to tell me something. I don't know what they're trying to tell me, but it ain't good.
All good. Well, we're good for a what is today? Thursday. We got Friday.
Thursday.
Yep. Friday gonna have some. I wanted to, man. I've been working on some cool AI stuff, man. I built my own AI agent. Did you know that?
Nice.
Of course you did, Ray. Is it attached to a robot yet?
No, no. But he writes articles. He does all kinds of research for me.
He does.
He's amazing.
Can he work in a restaurant yet?
Huh?
Can he work in a restaurant yet?
Yeah. No. Don't tell who.
Saying, don't tell Karen from the next county over. She'll think it makes noise.
That's right. She's gonna shut me down.
Hysterical.
She's gonna shut me down. But yes, we'll have some cool stuff for you tomorrow, and got some more alpha. You're gonna not want to miss.
Wise Guy Show. Of course, we're gonna have something great for you tomorrow. How many people do we make in the show right now?
What do you mean?
46.
46. Ladies and gentlemen, for Friday, I'd like to give some swag away. Call your friends, call your neighbors. Just get in the show.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tim, you're gonna have that little thing, that little wheel going. Little sign up for the wheel. You did that auto thing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get that going.
Hashtag counter.
Hashtag counter. Let's go.
Let's go. And yes, smash the like button. Right? Taco fire. It is taco
tacos.
Fire tacos. I get not so spicy, right?
Yeah, do me a favor. Yeah, no.
Knock it down on the spice. Yes.
A little
like the video. Yes, that's what we're talking about, Apex. That's what I'm saying. Smash the like button. Click the, make the algorithm. Pump it, man. Right?
Go back.
So,
yeah, love it.
Mob wob. Yes, mob wob. Yes. War on broke. That's what I'm talking about. But without any further ado, make sure you go through the app, get the mobbing tonight, right? Get your drink up. They go on several. I don't know if they're doing flash mobs tonight. They're doing long mobs, but the mob is.
To let you know, I looked in here, ladies and gentlemen. Taco Queen mission. I want to repeat. Starting at 6:30, there is a Taco Queen mission, hosted by. This is a first, ladies and gentlemen. I'm dropping alpha right now. Taco Queen is hosting.
Oh, Taco Queen.
This is big. This is a first.
I love it.
This is a first. 6:30, Taco Queen goes live, ladies.
You should play the. That's right, Taco. So that would be 9:30 for me, right?
That's 9:30, and then what's this for you? 2 9:30s, 9:30. There is 4, 5. I mean, there's a lot of missions with Taco Queen starting at 6:30. My finger is still scrolling up. I think there's about 10 missions, right?
Love it.
So let's get in there. Support. I mean, it's Taco Queen.
Taco Queen.
You found that, Tim, yet?
No, he did.
There it is.
He did.
Taco Queen. We will see you at 9:30, Taco Queen.
You need to work on that volume a little bit.
It's all good. No worries.
I love it, Timmy.
All right. Hey, thank y'all. Great show. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate you, everybody in the community. Share it out there. Mob. Ready? Here we go. Taco. Brought to you by Tacos in My Pocket.
Taco man. Let's talk about it. Taco body. Tacos on my mind, tacos on my mind. I want tacos all the damn time with my mind. Also tacos is the tacos on my mind. I want tacos all the damn time. Tacos on my mind, tacos on my mind. I want tacos all the damn time with my mind. Also tacos is the tacos on my mind. I want tacos all the damn time. I wake up in the morning with tacos on my mind. I eat a couple tacos and I hit the grind. Before I leave the house, I make sure I lock it. In case I get hungry, I got tacos in my pocket. When I'm with my friends, I don't care what they say. I feed them tacos every single day. If they try to tell